Hi guys, this may be my last video for YouTube. I mean that I'm in it because I am really not not having so much time to upload this. It's not because I don't like doing the YouTube thing, because it's not because that I have been doing this for maybe 3 months, but the popularity of my channel is not going as well as I might have expected it. So I don't know if I could continue doing this again, because for the last 2 years my account has not been very good at getting subscribers or getting my content right. I can't even edit my content because I have few minutes of a day to do this. What I'm trying to say is I wanted to do this for so long and make a living out of it, but I guess the community doesn't like my content, and I'm doing poor right now. Plus the money I had made for the last 6 months or 5 has been depleted, and I'm losing. I might not be able to upload anymore. That's why this may be my last video of uploading. Or maybe in 1 week I can't have an upload again because I have lost all my money right now. Plus my livelihood is on a break. I don't know if I could have a stable job that I can do YouTube at the same time. So this might all this might not be my last upload, but this is the video that I'm in it, that you can see me live. I mean video. In the video is the last time I'll be in a video. Might only upload something like stupid screenshot or screen gaming documentation, but I don't know how much longer I can do that. If I search for a job that's 24 hours or 12 hours a day I need to work, I might not be able to do this again. So this is the time that I would tell you that I may give up doing this YouTube thing, that YouTubers will be rich, because I've been doing this for 2 years, because that's what my account says. Right now I have nothing to say, update anything. But if you want me to upload more and make more content, you can subscribe and like this or share this if you want to help me. I'm not forcing anyone to do anything to help me grow my channel, because I don't like doing that. So if you want me to continue doing what I want in this platform we called YouTube, you can help me by subscribing and liking and sharing the video. And maybe if I can monetize the video, I might have a livelihood for my future, because right now I have no livelihood at the moment for the past 3 months. So this will be my goodbye video if all things go bad. So saying goodbye to YouTube, even though I don't want it to end like this. So goodbye.